Hey guys, so one night I got off my phone and I was just scrolling online, went on eBay. I needed to get some latches, some interior pieces for the Miata, and I came across something, and it was something that I thought was really cool. It was a custom door card from someone on eBay, and I had a little bit too much to drink, and I instantly bought it on the credit card. So I waited. I talked to the guy. He seemed like a pretty cool guy. He makes a lot of custom parts for Miatas. His handle is Infinity Miata on Instagram, and I just wanted to give him a shout out and do a quick video and a quick unboxing of his product. For the record, I paid full price for this. I did not even let him know that we were doing any kind of review for it. I wanted to get like the most raw customer experience from him. I did take a peek at him earlier, but for the most part, we're just gonna take him out of the box right now. All right, so shipping for me is kind of important. Unboxing something is very kind of special when you get a new product. First off, this is just kind of a couple of boxes he had taped together holding the product in, so I'm not really in love with that. From what I saw and from based off the price tag, this should be something that's high quality. It was $300 on eBay, which is a lot of money for just the lower door card. You can generally get ABS plastic ones for about $180. You can also go on Carbon Miata and they get full like leather ABS plastic backed ones for the 270s, 280s. So I had a lot of high hopes for this. So let's see how it goes. All right, so we're gonna do this on the table. Forgive me because I like good sound quality. I'm trying to use my mic whenever possible. All right, here they are. So as it stands, they do not look great. They look like just regular black plastic or regular leather, but they're not. They are actually cardboard. My initial thoughts here. I know Miatas come with cardboard door cards from the factory. That's totally fine if you're spending $100. As you guys may notice, there is power wires here. The reason for this is because these are LED. I am a sucker for some nice RGB setups. I'm a sucker for cool lighting, especially in a dark colored car. My car is a black interior car, so any kind of lighting I love the look of. Ideally, I'd have a 12 volt power source for this, but I just don't have one right now. So that looks pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, that looks pretty awesome. Pretty close to what the picture said. Cool little product, but there's a couple of my concerns, right? This door pull here, it's kind of it's a hard plastic that's a little bit permeable, and it is just pulling on cardboard. Now, not a strong material to be pulling the door closed with. Now, I pull my doors, I yank them closed. There's a 30-year-old car. They don't close that easy. The doors aren't the lightest thing, and this material is just going to completely break. He marked the holes where the clips go, but he didn't bother to put the holes for the clips. This material here, it feels just like a regular, it's not a felt, but it feels like a stretchy cloth. I understand it needs to be permeable with the lights underneath, but it's kind of loose there. It's wrinkled. It's got a lot of wrinkles, a lot of it's not pulled tight. It's very loose. So, not very happy with the craftsmanship on that end. A little bit of time has passed. I did contact the seller and they are going to issue me a refund. I'm going to return the door panels. They're really cool, really understanding. They make a lot of other things too, so I do look forward to potentially trying out another one of their products. Do want to keep it on a DL. I don't want special treatment because I'm making a review of their product. In my opinion, someone who makes something should make the same thing, the same quality every single time, and not add a little extra because they are a YouTuber or because they are a reviewer. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Are these trash? Are these awesome? Or are these absolute rice? But remember always, stay broke, they be creeping. Bye.